today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on Figma. By the end of this walkthrough, you will be able to place an actual playable video right inside your Figma file, which is really helpful for design presentations, prototypes, and documentation. First, open the Figma file where you want to embed your video. This can be any existing file or even a brand new one. Make sure you're in the design view and that you have edit access to the file, because plugins won't run properly if you're only a viewer. Next, look towards the top of the Figma interface for the main toolbar. Just below it, you'll see an action icon, usually represented by a small menu or options button. Click on that icon to open up more options related to your current file and tools. From the menu that appears, hover over or click on the option labeled Plugins and Widgets. This is where Figma keeps all the extra tools that extend its core features. If you haven't used plugins much before, think of this as Figma's App Store area, where you can search for and run different helpers. In the search field that shows up, type in the word Ampere. You're looking for a specific plugin that allows embedding online videos. Be sure to spell it correctly so it shows up in the results. After typing, wait a moment for Figma to load the matching plugins. Among the results, find the one called YouTube and Vimeo Video under the Ampere listing. This is the plugin that will let you bring a YouTube video directly onto your canvas. Click on this plugin name to select it. Once you've selected it, you should see a button or option labeled Run. Click on Run to launch the plugin. Figma will open a small panel or window, usually on the right side or in the center of your screen, dedicated to that plugin. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts provided by the plugin. Typically, it will ask you to paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to embed, choose or confirm the size of the video frame, and then insert it onto the canvas. Make sure you copy the full video link from your browser and paste it carefully. When you're done, the plugin will create a frame in your